Roger that.
In container J.
Container J.
Yeah, literally poking his head out.
Oh, fuck me.
See?
Wow, that is... Alex, be careful, you fucking retard. It's fucking running on fire. Alright. Alright, stop. Try to make our way around.
See the one in the background?
Yeah, he's literally by the back container, innit?
Yeah.
That you, Caden? No, it's not. Ugh. Same here.
I think there might be someone behind P's, but...
Whoa, fucking hell, yep. So this container on the left side here,
yeah.
as you peek round, he's on the back corner of it. See him? Yeah, there he is. He's in the window as well. But they've got a guy, these two guys, and one guy in the back, one in the window. Whoa, yep, he's fucking seen me. Where is he? Yeah, he's in that fucking little window. The back container, the one like the guy that picked his up around the corner, there's a second guy in the window under that container. There's a few of us up on the right side here. I'm currently in front of Kilo container.
What about the first container coming quickly? Yeah, he's gone.
Yeah, just hold your position for the time being. Nugs is quite hot on both sides from what I know. Hey, J container. Yeah, when you do move to kill house, move round. They've currently got a few of us pinned. We're trying to push up with like smoke, but there's about 4 or 5 of them on our position. Ah, hit, good shot. Respawn's back at the start, right?
Yeah. I'll say just get some fucking clear again. I'll say good.
Yeah.
We all just started rounding around the topic there, didn't we?
Yeah. Oh, fuck me, man.
Tough getting in.
It is really tough. Well, they've got...
They can't push out of that first field, so it's got to be tough pushing.
Pushing, yeah. And plus, where they've got 3 lights, they're going to be sitting camping in like decent little spots that they're in now.
Okay, that's something.
Yeah. Oh.
I've got one person in the field house. I think that's going to be our best point of entry to get in there.
Going around on kill house side, yeah.
There's only 3 doorways they can look through down. As long as all 3 doorways are being covered, one person can push up and start feeding through, take out one person, and then it's easy to get in.
Get in, yeah, start working our way through. How's the kill house push going? Yeah. Right, where do you need me? Yeah, I can hear you. I'm pushing up to kill house now.
One guy just needed to take us on the scene. It was on auto, I think.
There was someone close in this room.
Alright, there's a few of us at kill house at the moment trying to push through.
I'm just babysitting at the moment.
Let me try and get a little view on it.
Alright, and be careful. Go run across if you can. If you can, you can make it if you want to run.
Just watch taking this bit. You know, on the far right building, you got sniper there, and you got sniper on this white van here.
Right, there's a few snipers down by the black helicopter that are keeping us pinned. We're going to try and push up through kill house to try and make a flanking move. Roger that.
Killed 2 of them in it. And then we can try and make it. One just can't pick up again.
Oh, he's at the same. How was it looking on the other side?
Couple snipers on the other side, so be careful.
Oh, careful, yeah.
Yeah, I think there's a couple of people by the white.
Right, there's still a few more in there, I can hear them.
Oh, they see the shadow as well.
If you want to put the vector on the floor, you can. Don't stop it. Very carefully.
We're still trying to push in. They've got us pinned at the entrance.
Good time to throw it. How do we say?
We can't get round there at the moment. There's a couple of snipers that are keeping us on the actually by the kill house. So if Sky, if you're running your DMR, if you can come up and give us some support.
Give me a call back.
No, they haven't.
Oh yeah, see, that's also about 3 doors down. There's one guy with a pistol.
Actually, yeah.